YSL makeup unboxing. Welcome back, you're watching Ashun Amsterdam. Today I'm bringing you a luxury unboxing, and that is Yves Saint Laurent makeup unboxing. What did I buy at the YSL counter? So this is my box from YSL, and to tell you the truth, I'm so happy with what I bought. I got two products from YSL and I'm going to tell you all about them. Ladies, this is the eye palette. Today I tried using these eye palettes. Okay, I tried to use the purple and this blue. I don't know if the other colors will go well on me, but this palette was better than all the other palettes I saw because it looked like it has more. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It has 10 colors, and these colors can be used, mixed up. So as you can see now, I have like the purplish, and I also have the bluish. So let me see how I can show. It also has a brush. The brush is double-sided here and here, so I'll try to show you how it works. This is what I got from YSL. Yeah, it's I think the packaging is really good. It has a very good mirror. It has 10 colors. You can use all of them in combination with all my other makeup. I think it fit well, and it has the YSL logo, a mirror inside. It feels durable. I think I paid 50 euros for this. I think it was on 30% discount. I got it on a discount. For most of you who missed a video on how to shop on sale or when I went shopping after lockdown, click over here. That video will be there and it will show you. So the second item I bought at the YSL counter is Nacho Brune Nacho. So this is a filler, and it has this at the end, so it helps you sweep your eyebrows. And this side, you can use it to fill your eyebrows like so. This also I think was 19 euros. Normally it costs I think 25, so it was also on 30% discount. It's called Contour Brow Slim Eyebrow Pencil 3. Yeah, that's the color. So if you love the palette, you can go purchase it. If you love the scarf I'm wearing, it's in the description link below, or click over here, take you to my website, and you'll see products I design, and you can purchase a scarf for yourself or other scarves or other products I design. And if you're new here, consider subscribing, support this channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, love you lots. Keep watching and watch more videos on this channel in 1, 2, 3 and go.